In this video, I'll show you how to add a collaborator to a Facebook page step by step. First, sign into Facebook and open the page you want to manage. Make sure you have full control or the required admin access. Next, open Settings and Privacy, select Settings, and go to Page Setup or Page Access, depending on your Facebook version. Under People with Facebook Access, click Add New and enter the person's name or email address. Choose the level of access you want to give them. You can give them full control or limited access to specific page tasks, such as creating content, responding to messages, managing comments, or viewing insights. Review the permissions carefully, then click Give Access and confirm your password if Facebook asks you to do so. The person will receive an invitation and must accept it before they can manage the page. Finally, return to Page Access to confirm that the collaborator has been added successfully. That's how you can add a collaborator to a Facebook page while keeping control over their permissions. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.